Hello, this is Alex here. So today I want to introduce you to this online Microsoft Excel self-study. So we are going to start in April 2022. You can register via this QR code here, or you can contact either me or Leah. So what we will get is you just need to pay 160 ringgit. We will have the 16 videos, instructor pre-recorded lessons. We will upload to a private FB group where you can learn the 16 topics which is designed for Microsoft Office Specialist MO200 exam. We will also upload a videos, not a video, 16 videos, because each chapter we will have exercises. We will have the video also to show how to do the exercises correctly. So don't worry that you cannot do. So we will have the question. We will also have the answer for you. We will be shared in the private FB group. So you can only be a member. Then only you can access this private video. Other than that, you can, if you plan to get the exam, we will have this add-on revision class. So this is a live instructor-led online revision class, 2 to 4 hours to get you ready for the Microsoft Office Excel exam. The exam voucher is sell at $100 if you only register when you want to take the exam, or you can register now. The validity of this exam voucher is 1 year from the date of purchase. In case you subscribed for this package, you attended the revision class, and when you sit for the exam for the one time, for the first time you fail, the second attempt we will pay for you. So you can sit for the second attempt for the exam. Okay, we will pay for the second attempt for this Microsoft Office Excel exam. So this is the example of the certificate. The certificate will be issued by Microsoft website. When you want to take this exam, you will need to register yourself at this Microsoft portal. And when you pass the exam, you can download this this certificate from Microsoft website directly. What you will get, again, we will give you a soft copy notes study guide. You will have access to this private FB group. If you pass the exam, you will get the Microsoft certificate, and we will have the exercises file for you to practice after each topic. Okay, so why do you need to attend these courses? Of course, Excel is very important. You can have a better chance to get employed, make your work life easier, and then make yourself more valuable. So what are you waiting for? So let's register, learn, and apply all your skills. Thank you.